All right, hi, this is Greg Kisiel, Senior Loan Officer with your Mortgage Minute. Has your loan officer told you that the loan that you're getting is going to require mortgage insurance? And you're wondering, why do I need that in the first place? Well, mortgage insurance is going to be required on any loan where you don't have a down payment of at least 20%. So you can avoid mortgage insurance by putting down at least 20%. Why is mortgage insurance required? Well, the investors are looking at it this way. If someone doesn't have enough skin in the game or enough of a down payment, then there's a higher likelihood that they will default on the loan. And so they want to take out an insurance policy to cover their potential losses. And that insurance policy is called mortgage insurance. Now, mortgage insurance is going to vary. It's going to depend on your credit score, and it's also going to depend on your down payment. If you put down 5% versus 10%, your mortgage insurance is going to be a little bit higher. So there you have it. Those are some of the real basics about mortgage insurance. It's one of those necessary evils that's required on certain loans. I hope this information helps you. My name is Greg Kisiel. I'm a Senior Loan Officer, and this is your Mortgage Minute.